Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to run DeepSeek R1 locally. You can do this by three methods. The first method is to simply go and search for Perplexity and go to the official site and make sure that you are signed in using your account in Google or create an account. And after you sign in, you will have to hover over this area right here, then click on DeepSeek R1, and now you can type any prompt that you need. And you can do the same thing by using another website which is called Group. With Group, you can also do the same, and you should also log in using your account. And after logging in, you'll have to click on the top right here and choose DeepSeek R1. Then you can simply type any prompt and you will get also the same correct result. And the third method to do that is to simply go and download LM Studio. And to do that, you'll just have to search for it on your browser and click on download LM Studio. And you can download it for Mac, Windows, or Linux. Once you have downloaded, you just have to install it, then click on finish and run the application. Now you'll have to click on get your first LLM, and you'll have to download the DeepSeek into your PC, and by this way you can also use it locally. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.